This is David Edward again here for Module 6 Transportation Mode Career, and of course, project number 3. And I chose as my topic for the career is natural gas pipeline engineer. Again, my training in college was in petroleum engineering. Never really utilized that as an environmental engineer, so I thought that would be interesting to check that profession out and see what's out there. Um, and basically, according to the job description here for natural gas pipeline engineer, and this was with a company in Louisville and they're hiring for a design engineer to be out of the Tennessee market. It's with Gresham Smith. Distribution transmission engineering, where we're going to be looking at developing the for natural gas transmission projects for line routing, pipe and valve sizing, regulator stations, cathodic protection, railroad and steam crossings, profile drawings, working with the State Department of Transportation for utility relocations as needed for the pipelines. And that's with Gresham Smith. Another one that I found was with CenterPoint Energy out of Indianapolis for a gas engineer. And that would be working with their transmission integrity management team with reporting locations either in Evansville or, I thought this was interesting, Clarksville, Indiana, which is right across the river from Louisville. So I had never really had looked into that in the past when I had really looked more actively at these 20 some years ago. And for CenterPoint, they have 1,000 miles of transmission pipeline, and they would be looking for transmission system threats, so homeland security type concerns, budgeting, scheduling, and executing the projects, inline inspections, pressure tests, surveys, etc., using DOT, Pipeline Hazardous Material Safety Association safety rules and integrity management. So, a wide variety of topics for CenterPoint Energy. And the pay for these depends on where you look at. For salary.com, it's between $74,000 to $94,000 for a natural gas pipeline engineer, and in Glassdoor it's from 78,000 to 120,000. So I guess that's it just depends on their data size and from where you're going. So in short, natural gas pipeline engineers, there's more than I thought in the local area. I thought most of it would be in Texas, but I was wrong. The pay is, depending on where you're looking, anywhere from 78 to 120,000. Again, depending on experience and level of expertise. And again, it's not something that I'm sure most people look at, but I thought, and I have been intrigued by pipeline transmission within our transportation operations course. So hopefully it gives you a little bit broad course in what we're looking at, and I'm glad I could share that with you. Thank you very much for your time.